Hello everybody, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm Siren Guy here, and we're doing a fire alarm tour at the condo that I'm staying at in South Pardre, Texas. So let's get started. I gotta be very quiet. Okay, smoke detector, and this is something rather interesting. We got a Kiddie B5 behind a break glass cover. Where? Okay, we got another one of the holes, another smoke detector, and we got a system sensor Spectral L series. This must have to replace some older alarm. Okay, we're going down to 4-9. Okay, we gotta be super quiet. Another key B5. That must be where the fire alarm panel is. And there's another key 5. Okay, let's go down to the next 4. And we got another smoke detector. Down to 8. We got this old fire alarm. I forgot the model of this one, but it's old. I never see anything like that. We got a Kiddie B5. At least I seen them on the internet, but not in person. And we got another Kiddie B5 and another smoke detector. Oh, these elevators are so damn annoying. Let's go to 4-7. Okay, we got another Kiddie B5 and another smoke detector. Another smoke detector. Another one of these with another Kiddie B5, but this time it's missing the little lift cover. And there it is with the lift cover. Okay, let's go to 4-6. Okay, we got another Kiddie B5. Another smoke detector. Okay. So, another one of those alarms. Kiddie B5. Kiddie B5 and smoke detector. Okay, which one is gonna open? Is it the west or the right? Oh, was it the west one? Okay, let's go to 4-5. Yeah, this is a very old building. Okay, 4 number 4. Kiddie B5. And another Kiddie B5. That was called a 4. Number 3. Got a Firelight BG12 behind the glass cover. Another Reebok 7000 2T. Kiddie B5. Another Kiddie B5. So yeah. What's like this seems like BG12 replaced a Kiddie V5 or something. But why put it in the glass cover? Okay, let's go to 2, which is my 4. There's only like 1 notification appliances on every floor. And we got another Kiddie B4. Okay, final 4. I've already asked you. Okay, I just checked and it's been confirmed that this is the last of the 10 fire alarms. This is not the. So yeah, this floor has like at least 3 pole stations. Like one right there. One right there. And another one right there. Okay, so yeah, that has. Oh, let me make sure there's something in the bathroom. Which I don't think there is. Nope.